Silver stayed with moderate bullishness and respected my favorite levels 2450 levels, 2460 levels on the upside. Remember, I had mentioned these levels in my weekly review last week that first it has to break past 2050, 2450, 2460 levels, then we can see more bullish momentum. And likewise on the downside, 2380, 2360 zone again proven out to be great support. Now, what to expect in the coming week? Can we expect more bullish momentum to continue here? Yes, the last week is going to be a shortened week. Most traders are on vacations. The Christmas and the New Year holidays are on. We may see a muted week as well. Thus, you have to be trading with caution. You can also enjoy your holidays if you are taking a break. Before that, sir, now look, this is the last trading week for the month and the year. How to profit this week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the daily updates as well. Let's start. First, we'll look into 4-hour charts. See, on the 4-hour charts, you must notice that it is traded with moderate bullishness, but towards the end, it is shown a major bearish breakout. Yes, a sharp drop was seen, but at the same time it has failed to break below 24 zone, which is the next support zone. Also, this is the higher highs, higher lows in which it is trading. Can we expect now silver to bounce back and rise from the current levels, or is it going to break below this zone? That is what we need to see. If it breaks below 24, then only we can say that the more bearishness will be seen, where we can look forward to 2380 as the first support, and below 2380 there is lot much of downside available, where we can expect silver to come down towards $23 levels. Stochastic looking down, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. RSI has dropped here. Coming to the daily charts. On the daily charts, prices were little divergent from the median of the Bollinger Bands and the 20 period moving average, that is 2410, 24 and 2390 zone. And this makes this zone as a greater support zone. Also, if you look at silver was trading in this channel, it has achieved the top and the bottom of the channel in the single candle. Now we have to wait for a breakout. Any breakout below 2380 zone certainly should be taken up seriously, because below that is where bearishness will prevail strongly. Also, if you notice, after the rise, it has been trading in this bullish channel. Once it breaks out now beyond 2480, we can expect that 2520, see 2480, 2520 is the next milestone. It needs to break in order to move towards 26, and beyond 26 it is certainly sky is the limit for silver. But right now it is trading with very muted moves here. Thus you have to be watchful. If you look at a stochastic, this is dropped and trading with their comfortable levels. But interestingly, look at MACD. MACD has crossed over here, and on the daily charts, see first wave, second wave, and now it is looking upwards. So potentially it should achieve the highs of this channel. We have to be watchful. If these are two candles, I can expect 3 to 4 more candles, and if it continues to stay on the upside, nobody can stop it breaking 26, 28 levels as well. Right now, it is not showing much of the momentum, much of the bullishness. RSI comfortable here. Coming to the weekly, now see, you can also learn this art of trading, how simply and easily one can analyze and how one can take positions and make profit. You can also equip yourself with the tools and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades easily. Be part of my mentorship batch. 28th batch starts on January 2024. Register yourself on my platform forexfunda.com, or you can also reach out to me via Telegram or email, and you can get the live updates on my free Telegram channel as well. That is the first part to it. If you just want to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at the weekly. On the weekly charts, there is only one observation. See rise, pullback, retracement, and if it breaks on the downside below 2360, you can say we can look forward for 23, and below 23 a sharper drop can also be seen here. Right now it is not showing much of the signs, but I am just looking forward to the body size here. The body size has diminished in silver, but at the same time on the upside it is left a wick, which suggests that the prices might still show a further pullback towards 2480 levels as well. Thus if you see it again staying above 2420, 2430 zone, we can expect that silver is looking forward to first resistance at 2450, 60. Then we can in fact wait for 2480, $25 to be taken. On the downside, we have to ensure that 2360, 80 levels should not be taken, because below that the bears will take over. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. MACD is looking upwards. And if you look at the MACD here, see the rise, retracement to the neutral levels, and now looking upwards, it can continue to yield a good wave on the upside. RSI rising. Coming to the monthly. Now, see on the monthly charts, we have seen after the drop towards this zone here at 18, we have seen silver staying in this bullish channel. See the drop here and the recovery here. Where are the highs? We can look forward to double top levels in the coming months, which is towards 30 and plus levels. Yes, it is moving towards those levels, but right now for this month, achieving higher lows, there is a probability that it can try to stay within the range, or it can try to move closer towards the top of this candle. Yes, it is still in red, and the probability of it to close in red exists high. But if you see prices showing an extreme momentum, if you see prices staying above 25, 25, 20, we can expect that the prices are reversing, and in fact it can close in green as well. Right now, it appears, see the rise, retracement, couple bullish candle, couple of red candle, one green, couple of red candle, couple bullish, and another red candle. So it is trying to trade in this sideways bullish channel. We have to be watchful. This month probably might close in red, and only bullish confirmation, only rise confirmation is if silver stays above 2480, 2520 zone. You can say that prices are reversing. Now, also one must note it has left a longer tail on the downside. If the body is smaller, possibility of a next month to be bullish also exists, but I will see it closing somewhere here at around this zone between 2350, 2450 levels. Stochastic rising. Look at MACD. It has hit a bottom. It is now starting to retrace, and it can continue on this zone for a while from here. RSI is almost flat. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy. And there is a free webinar today, which is going to be educative webinar. You can be part of it, where we are going to discuss and teach the basics of technical analysis and the key strategies which can help you trade profitably. This is a completely free webinar. Also, there is a paid webinar tomorrow where we are going to discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. We are going to take a holistic view of indices, commodities, currency, and dollar, and I take up your questions live as well. Do register for it. It also comes with 2 free consultations with me, one-to-one live consultations, which definitely will add meaning to your trading decisions. Do register for it. Visit the platform forexfunda.com or reach out to me via Telegram or email. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 2430, but then be careful of 2450, 60 levels, and then 2480. If 2480 is taken, then you can say we will look forward to 2520 levels as the next targets. And beyond this, sky is the limit. We will look forward to again 2550 and $26 levels here. Anything and everything is possible. These are markets. We will see if the momentum is shown here, if the momentum is seen in silver, which is right now lagging, we can expect silver to give massive bullish moves. On the downside, where to sell? Now, only selling entry is at 2395, below which you can see 2380, 2360 zone. Now, as long as 2360 is not taken, we should not be treating silver as bearish. Only below 2360 we can expect little bullish bearishness. But in fact, as I say, 2350, the nearest one is the first support level. Then we can look forward to 2320 and 23 levels. If it's seen trading below 23, you can say that silver is going to crash further and it has turned bearish. As long as 23 is not breached on the downside, we can expect silver to continue with the bullish momentum. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my webinar series. Reach out to me for any of your training or trading queries. Visit the platform forexfunda.com, and you can also schedule a consultation with me, and you can be part of free Telegram channel to get the latest updates. Thank you very much. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a Merry Christmas. Thank you.